Okay, so here we are here. New reaction, fresh reaction. Xzibit, okay. The last time I saw Xzibit, he was on Mike Tyson, hotboxing with Mike Tyson. He was mentioning new music. He was mentioning, this is on hotboxing with Mike Tyson a few months ago. He was saying, and I agree, that all these little pumps, little Zans, little pieces of trash, pretty much, who were just somehow capturing an audience, whether it's completely fake and it's all part of an agenda to push garbage, like who's that dude? Little 69er, okay, little dirtbag, little piece of trash, okay, and you fucking heard it first. But here's this Xzibit, Kass, Locksmith with God, okay, featuring Brevi, okay. I don't know what to expect. I mean, when I grew up, when I was fucking 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, I was listening to fucking Eminem, Xzibit, 50 Cent, D12, fucking, even as early as fucking when I was 15, okay? 1990 fucking, the year 2001, okay? Yeah, 2001. That's when it all began, okay? When it turns into fucking Eminem rap, fucking Slim Shady LP, okay? You know, somehow I stumbled across it, okay? It wasn't fucking advertised everywhere. I thought it was fucking fantastic. Prior to that, you know, I liked an array of music. I was really into the Korn, you know, follow the leader or something. That album was, in my opinion, when I was 14, was fucking brilliant. Then it went into the rap scene, and then even the Cottonmouth Kings when I was 18 kind of thing up and onward, that got some fantastic music. So pretty much true rap, none of this fucking garbage dribble from little 69er, okay? And I say that fucking firm. But anyway. I don't know what to expect, okay? This shit. Raised in a different era. The set of values that y'all use. So far, this is what I was hoping for. I was hoping for some ill rap. I hope they weren't going to conform to any garbage like Little Pump, Little Xan, Little Dick. Okay, all that trash. These guys are bringing the true rap, the true lyricism, the true flow, the true sound, and the true culture. Okay, of something brilliant. Y'all confuse celebrity with integrity, so I regrettably readily expose what's in the mirror. Wow, I readily expose what's in the mirror inevitably or something. With integrity, so I regrettably readily expose what's in the mirror. Wow. Y'all confuse celebrity with integrity, so I regrettably readily expose what's in the mirror. See, that right there is brilliance. It's fantastic. It's A+ rap, okay? A+ rap. It's in the A category, okay? You don't have to be the fastest rapper, but if you're putting technical rhyming words, sound that's unique, in my opinion, it's going to be brilliant. And this guy, I don't know who it is it Locksmith, okay? And that's like a locksmith, you know, with the words, like these little Zans fucking just slurring some garbage over a fucking beat they didn't even make, okay? It's trash, whereas this is fucking brilliant. Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any minstrel did. He just said the fake rappers. That's who I'm talking about. All the trash fucking dirtbags. Okay. Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any minstrel did. Now the Pharisee has been peppered in. The era ends. They done got wow, peppered in with these little dirtbags. The era ends. Hoo hoo. Did. Now the Pharisee has been peppered in. The era ends. They done got better. Did. Now the Pharisee has been peppered in. The era said era. Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any minstrel did. Now the Pharisee has been peppered in. The era ends. They done got better at cooning than most these niggas is. Step and fetch some recognition. Do we really I honestly think they're victims of repetition. That's what I think they are. I think they're all the people listening to Little Pump, Little Xan, Little 69er are fucking fools of repetition, in my opinion. Okay. Step and fetch some recognition. Do we really like the shit or just victims of repetition? If we repetition. I mean, do you really like Little 69er? Or are you a victim of repetition? This is my opinion, okay? Are just victims of repetition. If we repetition and picking the least most definitive. I don't follow trends, they purposely try to limit his. Let's eliminate the label from the genre. Let the label. I just want to highly respect this Aboriginal flag here, okay? I want to highly respect, I want to honourably respect, and I want to put that above the garbage Australian flag. And I want to say that right now. I don't care if you disagree with that. In my opinion, this is fantastic right here, okay? I'm down with that. I'm down with all these rappers. So I like how this guy is repping Australia, the indigenous, the true land owners of Australia, in my opinion, and Tasmania. From the genre, let the labels like take fate in the form of karma. If you calmly disagree, then they label you as a problem. I'ma be a thorn in their side so they embalm them. Wow, I'm gonna label you as a problem. I'm gonna put a thorn in your arm until you're fucking embalmed. Do you know what I'm saying? Only disagree, then they label you as a problem. I'ma be a thorn in their side so they embalm them. We walk with God. It's great to hear Xzibit back. I mean, I think he needed a break. I think he wanted to experience what it's like to be normal, what retirement's like, you know, and he's obviously been sitting back. You know, he obviously did, you know, Pimp My Ride. Probably made F-load of money where you can just sit back, and he's been sitting back and seeing what rap hip-hop culture has turned into, and it's just turned into complete junk. Not all of it. There's some glimmers of hope in there, but it just seems that the mainstream garbage that's being pushed is 1, it's pussy, 2, it's fake, 3, it's fucking bitch ass, and 4, it's fucking agenda driven, okay? Agenda driven by garbage trash bags, okay? And this Xzibit is not too impressed, and let's hear what he has to say. I was raised with respect, so I live by a code that was laid by the vets. When y'all niggas pay homage to your ancestors, when y'all niggas be honest, you let the man get you. Man tanning, spoon slapping, bandwagon, and hand slapping, and grand dragon. Wow, they were the best so far. Spoon slapping, bandwagon, and hand slapping, and she let the man get you. Tap dancing, man tanning, spoon slapping, bandwagon, and hand slapping, and grand dragon. Fuck. Man tanning, spoon slapping, bandwagon, and hand slapping, and grand dragon. I hate the fact that I was right when 10% of the weak shit is hogging up the life. And why it's only poor niggas pouring up the Sprite. I survived the struggle, I'm blessed, driven, and humble. When I pull my face, I usually make it a double. Yeah, cause I came from Kid T, I MC, I kill rappers, and think backwards. So it's like, yo, fuck, catch fakes between takes, and I touch y'all up. Let's loop the beat breaks, watch me fuck y'all up. That's on God we trust, Xzibit. I mean, that was good. I think, I'm going to be honest, the chorus is okay. The chorus is a bit annoying. I'm going to be honest. If you're in a car, the chorus is annoying. This woman, I don't want to fucking put Brevi down, okay? She's probably fantastic, but it's just a bit too fucking sermon preaching, and it's really ruining the rap, in my opinion. They should have done it, that they should have gone 101 rap chorus. You know what I'm saying? Walk with God. I respect this Xzibit 100% of what he stood for in hip hop and rap. He hasn't taken any less of what it should be. Okay. The chorus is annoying.
America to the motherland, our future's backwards. Black shores, hijacked noise became the crack chords, rap wars. What snitches getting stacks for? Marcus Garvey, Black Star, Apology, Blackbird. Only real ones come aboard, we don't want accord. We accept Jesus, like you love the Lord.
That's some real old school, like 1999 rap right there, and I like it. It's fucking, it's unfucking refined. It's fucking in its raw state, and it's dearly missed.
We don't want accord. We accept Jesus, like you love the Lord. Born again like Jason Ultimatum. They can't control the prophecy, so they hate him. I read the haters, DNA verbatim. Electrocute a nigga like Raiden. This is called rap. Y'all say we too lyrical. That's like square basket.
That's exactly right. These fucking dirtbag trash bags that I've just described in the earlier on in the piece. Just because they can't fucking do fantastic lyrics, because to do fantastic lyrics it takes fucking years of fucking writing fucking books before you can really truly fucking pen together something fantastic in 10 minutes. Whereas these fucking losers, and that's what they fucking are, they're pieces of trash. They're just fucking saying the most simplest fucking slurring, effortless garbage, and somehow it's getting the time to be promoted by a machine that is in it for all the wrong reasons. And that's my problem, and that's what these guys' problems are, okay, with the rap industry at the moment.
It's called rap. Y'all say we too lyrical. That's like making square basketballs, not physical.
What did he just say? If you think this is too lyrical, that's like saying a basketball's too spherical. And that's 100% correct.
Y'all say we too lyrical. That's like making square basketballs, not physical. Dumb shit get repeated like jiggaboos. You dumb nigga, you. Pin hit you like blips. Or the extendo dude. Then get physical flip. Invent more style. Simone bows in his bitch.
Yeah, and I really do hope you're walking with God, but this chorus is so annoying. I mean, it's a great concept of the chorus, but in my opinion, it's not meant for this song. You've had 3 fantastic verses on a pretty damn good beat, and you've just kind of brought it down maybe to B+ grade. If you'd have gone rap 101 rap chorus, like Xzibit used to do back in the fucking 1999, 2000, 2001, you would have gone to A. You would have gone A, okay? And that's where I expect you. That's where you were from. Don't accept anything less, okay? And here's how it works. It's like all those trash bags I was talking about earlier in the fucking, somehow in the rap industry. Somehow, okay? Agenda driven. Yeah, their beats might be fantastic, but their fucking content is trash. And I think that's exactly what this Locksmith, Xzibit and Kass is trying to say here. So I'm going to give this a big fucking thumbs up. I'm going to subscribe. So